The power you crave and the fuel efficiency you desire. The 2015 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata offers plenty of horsepower with the standard 2.4-liter GDI engine and an available 2-liter turbocharged Sport 2.0T trim. Drive Mode Select tweaks engine performance and steering comfort to match your driving style. The Hyundai Sonata is the ultimate way to get from point A to point B. Use the navigation system with easy voice recognition or the interactive touchscreen while you enjoy spectacular audio with the available 400-watt 9-speaker Infinity audio system. You'll even get built-in iPod, USB, and auxiliary jacks for added control. Electronic stability control, traction control, and an advanced anti-lock brake system are standard across the board, all of which are designed to help you outmaneuver dangers on the road. And when it comes to protecting passengers, the Sonata's reinforced unibody design and advanced front airbags are there to help in the event of a crash. The 2015 Hyundai Sonata is simply reinventing the category.